Alright, but let's see this side.
It's hot.
It gets warm. Yeah, bud, you're about to be free.
What are you laughing about? That's hilarious.
Alright, so let's this is just split up 2 pieces apart, right?
That's it, boy.
That's it. About to break you loose.
That felt weird.
That's not weird, huh?
So his cast
So these aren't gonna hurt either, right? They're not gonna hurt you either. They're made for this, okay? It's just gonna cut that padding that's right there. Might be cold a little bit.
It is.
Cold?
Yeah.
Probably feels kind of good. All right, you haven't been able to stick nothing in there for a while. All right, go ahead, put your hand out of there. Ta-da! There you go, Dad.
Yeah.
Oh God.
It's skinny and white.